Yeah. So what you can do now, what I'm saying is that this serial number 123. So
Okay.
basically it is like a wide table.
Yeah.
See, just now what we have seen, the difference between wide table and tall table, it will not
Yeah.
be able to aggregate the things.
Okay.
You might not be able to easily fetch the data into the Power BI and you do. So what I suggest is like this is quantity in the metric ton, like
Yeah.
15, 26. So this is
Yeah.
getting updated on a daily basis, you are saying, right?
Yeah. This is the data from say production team, and
No, but I
then
am not
they
seeing
got
any
the
date. I am not seeing any date in this particular. Uh, are these the like product numbers or these are the machine numbers? Product names. These are the product names. Uh,
there is no date because this is the sheet where this is prepared in the first week of month, and they have to identify the raw material quantities like M01, M02, how much quantity is required in a month. So in the last maybe they will identifying the total quantity required in the month. So for that they are preparing this sheet. Hmm.
no, so if you want to use this sheet, what you can do, like you want to identify how much material is required. This M01 is your material, right?
Pardon?
This M01 is the material.
Is the raw material name of one of the raw material?
Yeah, yeah. So now how much of the raw material is required for this particular product?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is what you want, right?
Yes. Yes. No. I
So,
what I want is the cells which are marked in yellow. These are the say raw material required to manufacture this product. Say P716. Okay. Say we are viewing the first example, like product CB716 in the second column. Okay.
hmm.
And where it is marked in yellow, these many quantities are only required for this product. If we go to other product, some of the
Hmm.
quantities are not there and some other quantities are there. So I have to prepare a dashboard where if I select one product, they have to show me only the required quantities, not the other
Yeah,
quantities
yeah,
for that product.
that is possible. Only thing is what I can see is okay, so I understood. So I think you needed to do the transformation because you already have the product wise data. Already this entire aggregation is possible. Like
Yeah,
you want to just show like this, right? You want to show like total quantity of this entire data of the entire and individual also, like how much of the M01, how much of the
yeah,
M02 against P1716.
correct, correct.
Okay, okay. So I think you can maybe you can take in the Power BI. Let us see. So whatever the null data, that is anyhow you don't require, right? So you need not to fill anything there.
So yeah, because say M04, M06 are not these raw materials are not required for that product. But say in serial number 4,
Let me just
P143,
yeah.
M06 and M07 are required, but M01 is not required. Likewise, uh,
Yeah, yeah. Let me just share the screen again. I think it should work. Let us see. Yeah, this is your data, right? It has got null so many places. Okay, it has got zero also so many places. But that is what you are saying that you don't need any other data than that, right? But first we need to do the transform because your product name should be your header. So maybe I will do first transform. And what we can do, we can first remove the top row. Like this serial number is not required, right? That is anyhow is not useful. You are there, Dhananjay?
Yes, I'm there. Serial number is not
So,
useful.
yeah, so what we can do, even this first row, we can keep as a, we can change to header.
Yeah, can become a header.
Yeah, so now my product name has come, which is this, okay? And then quantity in metric term has come like this, okay? What I suggest now, can we, because your product name is like this, can we transform this data to one pivot? And let's see how it works. Go to transform
Okay.
and then go to this. Now you can see P176 quantity in metric ton, then M01
Yeah.
and M02,
Okay.
right? So now entire your data is become a tall table, which we need for our data manipulation, right? And let me now close and go back. Now let us see whether it works or do we need a more
So my
manipulation.
internet is very poor. I'm getting continuous voice cracking. I don't know.
Okay. So let us go back to the transform data because I think we have not changed the name, the headers. Just so this is the product name and this is the quantity in metric ton. Okay. Okay, I got your problem. Now I think what we need to do, this N01 also, we need to, like N01 is 3000 for this product. And
Yeah.
then 6,000. Yeah. Then it's working. Then it should work. It should work. I think it should work. Let us see. So what you want to do, let's say first you want to identify your total material requirement, maybe total quantity. So you can see total metric ton required per month. You can say,
So first I want to identify the finished product. Hmm. So for that we
uh,
can create that
so two,
slicer.
so you have 2139 count of quantity in metric ton. Okay. So we can rename also this total metric ton.
Yeah.
Okay. And then I will take one more visual, which will tell me total number of products. I will say again count. So my total number of products is 35.
Yeah.
And if you go to
Okay.
your Excel, this entire
Yeah.
Excel has got 35 products. Can you see?
Yeah.
Yeah, 34.
34
Yeah,
actually.
34.
34.
I don't know why it is coming 35. Maybe let's see. At least it is very near to the actual. So that's good part.